In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Telegram using a secondary number. Start by installing the Telegram app on your phone or tablet. Open it, tap Start Messaging, and you'll see a prompt asking for a phone number. Telegram requires a number to create and secure your account, but you don't have to use your primary line if you prefer to keep your personal number private. Instead, use a temporary or secondary number. This is great if you want to separate work and personal messages or protect your privacy when joining public groups. To get one, open your device's App Store, either the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android, and search for Google Voice or another reliable, well-reviewed free phone number app available in your region. Download and install Google Voice, then open it and sign up for a free number. You'll be guided to pick an available number, often by area code. Follow the on-screen prompts and create or sign into your account. In some regions, you may be asked to link an existing number during setup. Just follow the instructions shown. When the app assigns your new number, you're ready for Telegram. Copy the new phone number provided by Google Voice. Be sure you know the correct country code and formatting because Telegram will validate it. Now return to the Telegram app, enter the Google Voice number, and proceed with verification. Keep Google Voice open or nearby because your verification code will arrive there by text or call. If the text takes a moment, wait for the code and only request a new one if needed. Requesting multiple codes too quickly can delay verification. Make a note of the number you used. Some secondary number services can deactivate numbers that go unused for long periods. If that happens later, you may need to update your Telegram account with a new number, so it's smart to keep a record in a secure note or password manager. Using the number occasionally can help keep it active. Once you're verified, complete your Telegram setup, add your display name, upload a profile photo if you like, and choose a username so people can reach you without sharing your number. You can adjust privacy settings to control who sees your phone number and profile photo. For extra protection, consider enabling two-step verification inside Telegram's settings so your account stays secure even if someone gets your number. That's it. You're ready to start messaging, creating groups, and joining channels. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tutorials.